Hello dear students, in the last lecture we have already discussed some problems based on for the second chapter one valence electron system. Okay, in this lecture I will again discuss the remaining problems for this chapter. Now the next problems number 5. Okay, find the value of S, L and J for each of the following. Okay, in which first problem is that in an 1s0. Okay, in a last lecture we have already discussed you have to given the value of S or J, S, L, then you will find the atomic state. Okay, in this problem you will know the atomic states, then you have to find the value of S, L or and J. Okay, S is the spin quantum number, orbital quantum number and the total angular momentum. Now 1s0. Okay, in an 1s0 this will be the 2s plus 1 atomic states I have to given from this form, and this is the value of J. Okay, now you have to find out first multiplicity is given that twice s plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, you have to know the value of multiplicity, you will find out the value of s. Therefore 2s is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 0. Okay, s is equal to 0. Then this s stands for S, P, D and F. Okay, S stands for L is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, S stands for L is equal to 0 and the value of J is given that J is equal to 0. Okay, in this way you have to find the value of S, L and J. The next problem is that for a 3D 3 by 2. Okay, in an 3D 3 by 2 state you have to find out the value of S, L and J. I have not taken some more problems, you have to do in homework because this is too much simple. The 2s plus 1 is equal to 3, therefore the multiplicity S is equal to 1. Okay, multiplicity S is equal to 1. D stands for L is equal to 2. Okay, D stands for L is equal to 2 and what is the value of J? J is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, in this way you have to solve the problems, some more problems. Now you have to write the problem, you can do in homework. First problem is that you have to solve this problem in an homework, and solution of these problems can be sent me in Google Classroom. Okay, first one is the 2p2 state, then 3f 5 by 2, then 4d 7 by 2. Next problem is that 1p 3, then 1f 3 by 2. Okay, for these problems can be do in homework, and the solution for these problems can be sent in an Google Classroom. Okay, now we will move towards the next problem. The next problem is that problems number 6. Problem number 6. The frequency of strong yellow line the frequency of strong yellow line in the spectrum the frequency of strong yellow line in the spectrum of sodium is 5.09 into 10 raised to 14 per second, 10 raised to 14 per second. Calculate per second. Calculate the wavelength of the light in nanometer. Okay, problem is that the frequency of strong yellow line in the spectrum of sodium is 5.09 into 10 raised to 14 per second. Calculate the wavelength. Okay, first I have to write the given. What we taken as the given is that we have to given that the frequency. Okay, nu is equal to what? 5.09 into 10 raised to 14 per second. Okay, then you have to calculate the wavelength lambda. Okay, what is the relation that we in between nu and lambda, frequency and wavelength? You have to know the relation is C is equal to nu lambda, or lambda is equal to, you have to find the lambda, therefore the value of lambda is C upon nu. Okay, you have to know C is the speed of light and their value is C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Therefore 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by this frequency 5.09 into 10 raised to 14 per second. You will get the, after this calculation you will get the value of 589 into 10 raised to 14. This will 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, meter. Okay, and you have to know this relation. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter is equal to 1 nanometer. Therefore the wavelength is 589 nanometer. Lambda is equal to 589 nanometer. Okay, the wavelength of this sodium light is 589 nanometer. Now the same problems which is based on, then that will be solved in homework. Then the next problem, problems number 7. Find the orbital angular momentum. Find the orbital angular momentum. Find the orbital angular momentum of d electron. Find the orbital angular momentum for d electron. Okay, now d stands for L is equal to 2. D stands for L is equal to 2, and you have to know the value of L, then you will easily find out the orbital angular momentum. The formula for orbital angular momentum, the orbital angular momentum for an d electron is L star is equal to square root of L into L plus 1 into H cross. Okay, the value of H cross is equal to H upon 2 pi. Okay, where H is the Planck's constant. Now square root of this 2 into 2 plus 1 into H upon 2 pi. Okay, this calculation is 2 plus 1, 2 into 3 will be root 6. Root 6 into the value of H is 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 2 into 3.40. Then you will get the value of orbital angular momentum L star is equal to 2.58 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Okay, this is the value of orbital angular momentum. Okay, you do in homework, find the value of orbital angular momentum first for an p electron, second one is the f electron. Okay, these two you have to do in homework. Okay, now the next problem is that the next or last problem number 8. Calculate the value of electronic angular momentum of a one electron atom in the state of 2d 5/2. Okay, you have to given that the atomic state and you have to calculate the value of electronic angular momentum. Okay, electronic angular momentum is nothing but the total angular momentum. In the last problem you have to find out the orbital angular momentum. Same way you have to find the electronic angular momentum 2d 5/2. Then you have to calculate the value of given is the 2d 5/2. Okay, from this equation you have to calculate the value of L, S and J. Then okay, 2s plus 1 is equal to, in the last lecture you have to solve from this type of problem. You have to calculate the value of L, S and J. Okay, 2s plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore the value of S is equal to 1/2. The value of S is equal to 1/2. This D stands for L is equal to 2 and the value of J is equal to 5/2. Okay, then okay, here there are two L values. Okay, L plus S or L minus S. L plus S 1/2 plus 2, the value of J is 5/2. Okay, therefore the electronic angular momentum is given by J star is equal to square root of J into J plus 1 into H upon 2 pi. Okay, therefore square root of 5/2 into 5/2 plus 1 into 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 upon 2 into, and the value of pi is 3.40. Okay, you have to solve this calculation. You will get the value of total the electronic angular momentum 3.123 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Okay, in this way you have to calculate the spin angular momentum also, orbital angular momentum, from this value formula. Okay, J star is equal to J into J plus 1. You have to calculate the value of orbital angular momentum, then you will put the here from this formula the value of L. Okay, L into L plus 1 into h cut or h upon 2 pi. Same the value of S. S is equal to square root of S into S plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. Okay, this is all about the problems for this second chapter. Then here I will finish the second module, one valence electron system. In the next lecture we will start a new chapter, that is the two valence electron system. Okay.